Well, we've made it through a good portion of the day and got mostly slabs is what we've got done today. A couple broken blades, trying to fine tune and figure this thing out. So we've mostly just cut all of the small balsam and spruce, mainly cutting 4x4s here and some 3x3s and some 3x4s over here. And now I've just started sawing up 2-inch material, and this is all balsam, so this will be 2x4s. When I run into some spruce and Norway pine, like this one here, I'll cut in some 2x6s because that'll be used for structural material. But doesn't look like much, but we did put a small dent in the pile, and those tiny logs take so much time. But we were in dire need of 4x4s and 3x3s for stacking material, so I took the time and did it. We were having some trouble keeping blades on. I broke 2 blades, and actually thinking 2 things. One, we may have had the tension too tight, and the other one may have been that we weren't dogging them well enough, and the log was rotating a little bit, pinching the blade and snapping it, because both of the blades broke in the same location with a couple of teeth chipped off. So I think that's what's going on. At least I hope that's what it is. I backed the tension off on the blade a little bit, and I have just done a better job of dogging things down. So got just a couple blades left here. 2 left in the box, and the tracking says it's supposed to have more showing up today, which would be good because my help is supposed to show up today, and Lord knows I'll need the help. But I'm gonna start in on some of these larger ones and just bypass these small ones for now, and hopefully make some lumber here. I've got to get some of this knocked out because running out of time. I've got exactly 1 month from today. We need to be in the air on the plane and heading for the fishing grounds again. We are going back just a little bit early. Erin has got something she needs to tend to, and it'll help us get on the water, get our fish caught for the season, and get building boats. So hopefully we'll get the stack of logs cut up here this week. Would be wonderful. That's going to be dependent on some really good weather and some really good sleep, because there's quite a lot here. But if I can get it done this week, and then we can get to work on our building projects that we had planned for the summer. So I'm gonna get after it now, start getting in on some of these larger balsam logs and get some nice 2x4s for interior work done. Here we go. The bad part about cutting balsam, spruce, white pine, any of those types of logs that have a lot of pitch is it's a sticky mess. But I can't stand gloves, so it is what it is. Maybe in a week or 2 I'll get a chance to wash my hands, but until then we just work them until it grinds off. 2.5 inches difference between the two ends. So I've got a 1 inch and a 1/4 inch. Just lift this up, it goes in. Now we taper it off. My arm down.